What if your rug could stay clean, fresh, and stylish without constant vacuuming or worry about spills? Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Welcome to rugs that never get dirty? The secret to easy maintenance rugs. In this video, we'll reveal the smartest rug materials, coatings, and designs that make cleaning almost effortless. And for the latest collection of stain-resistant and washable rugs, visit rugdubai.com, where beauty meets practicality. Let's face it, rugs bring warmth, texture, and personality to every home. But keeping them clean? That's the hard part. Thankfully, 2025 has introduced a new generation of smart, easy maintenance rugs that resist stains, repel dust, and look brand new for years. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, these rugs are a total game changer. 1. Stain-resistant innovation. Modern rugs are now coated with advanced stain-repellent finishes that prevent liquids from soaking in. Whether it's coffee, juice, or even red wine, spills simply beat up on the surface and wipe away in seconds. This technology keeps your rug spotless and stress-free. 2. Washable wonders. The biggest trend in 2025? Washable rugs. Designed for modern living, these lightweight, flexible rugs can be tossed right into your washing machine. Perfect for families, pet owners, or high-traffic areas, they're a practical way to keep your home looking spotless without expensive cleaning. 3. Smart fiber technology. Synthetic fibers like polypropylene and polyester have evolved. They now mimic the softness of wool but come with the added bonus of being stain and fade resistant. These fibers don't absorb dirt or odors easily, meaning your rug stays cleaner for longer with minimal effort. 4. Low-pile, high-style designs. Rugs with low-pile weaves are not just stylish, they're easier to maintain. They trap less dust and are simple to vacuum or shake clean. Perfect for modern living rooms and dining spaces where easy upkeep meets sleek design. 5. Anti-dust and allergy-friendly rugs. In 2025, health meets design. New hypoallergenic rugs feature anti-static materials that repel dust, pet hair, and allergens. They're perfect for people with allergies or anyone who wants a cleaner, fresher environment. 6. Outdoor durability indoors. Another secret? Outdoor rugs inside your home. These rugs are designed to resist moisture, sunlight, and stains, yet they're stylish enough for indoor use. Great for kitchens, entryways, or family rooms where spills are part of everyday life. 7. Easy to clean natural fibers. Even natural materials like wool and jute are getting smarter. Modern treatments make them more resistant to dirt while keeping their luxurious texture. Wool naturally repels moisture and bacteria, making it a surprisingly easy care option for busy homes. 8. Pattern power, the visual trick. If you want a rug that looks clean longer, go for subtle patterns or multi-tone designs. These visually hide dust and stains between cleanings, so your rug stays looking fresh even in high-use areas. 9. Quick maintenance tips. Keeping your rug spotless doesn't require hours of cleaning. Regular vacuuming, rotating your rug to even out wear, and spot cleaning spills immediately can keep it looking brand new for years. 10. The ultimate easy care solution, rugdubai.com. Looking for rugs that combine durability, comfort, and effortless maintenance? Explore rugdubai.com for a wide range of stain-resistant, washable, and smart fiber rugs designed for real life. From minimalist neutrals to luxurious textures, you'll find designs that make everyday living both beautiful and easy. So there you have it, the secret behind rugs that never get dirty. With today's smart materials and innovative finishes, keeping your home fresh and stylish has never been simpler. Ready to say goodbye to high-maintenance floors? Visit rugdubai.com today and discover easy maintenance rugs that truly change the way you live.